Good morning, students. We have studied lesson 1. The name of the lesson is My Family and Me. We have also done exercise 1 of the lesson. Exercise A we have done. Today we will start with exercise B, and also we will do the exercise C. All you have to do these exercises with me, and then you have to do that exercises in your notebook. So children, what we will do today, we will do the exercises of lesson 1. So it is exercise time for you all. Exercise A we have already done in our previous lecture. So today we will start with exercise B. What is exercise B? Take the correct answer. There may be more than one correct answer. First is, the first generation of a family includes. Number 1, children. You have to put a cross over here because children does not form the first generation of a family. First generation means the eldest generation, the oldest generation of the family. Second one is parents and grandparents. You also have to cross it because both parents and grandparents cannot form a single generation. Parents and grandparents both belong to a different generations. Third is grandparents only. This is the correct answer, so put a tick mark over here in the box, and then the correct answer is grandparents only. Now moving on to the second number. Family teaches us to dash. First one is fight with the family members. You have to put the cross in the box because our family does not teach us how to fight with the family members. Number 2, be impolite. Put a tick mark here in the box because our family teaches us good values, and being polite is one of the good value. And now moving on to the next one. Respect other family members. This is one of the most important thing that we learn in our family. So put a tick mark over here also. Number 3, festivals and special occasions give a chance to dash. Number 1 is meet relatives who don't live with us. Put a tick mark over here because on festivals and special occasions we used to meet people who are our relatives and who don't live with us. So it's a chance. Number 2 is put a tick mark over here also because it is also correct. Decorate the house together and eat special dishes. In festivals and on special occasions, all the family members get together at one place and they used to decorate their house and also eat special dishes together, which are made by the ladies of the family. Number 4 is study together for an exam. No children, it is the wrong one because it is not possible to study on festivals and special occasion with all the family together. Now moving on to the exercise C. Take the correct answer. Number 1 is a joint oblique nuclear family has only parents and 1 or 2 children. Children, you have studied that a nuclear family consists of only parents and their children. So here the correct answer is nuclear. Second one, children oblique grandparents form the third generation in a family tree. Now children, here the correct answer is children because children are the youngest or in the family and they form the third generation in a family tree. So correct answer is children. Now the next one is number 3. A family tree shows us the relationship between family members oblique neighbors. The correct answer is family members. That's why it is known as family tree. So a family tree shows the relationship between family members. Number 4. The family teaches us bad oblique good habits. The correct answer is good. The family does not teach us about the bad habits. Our family teaches us to stay away from the bad habits. Number 5. Identical twins resemble / do not resemble each other. The correct answer is resemble. So children, you all know that identical twins are the children who born almost at the same time in the same family from the same parents only, and they also look like each other. So here the correct answer is resemble, meaning they look like each other. Now children, assignment for today is do exercise B and C in your notebook. Draw the picture of any one of your favorite festival in your notebook, whether Holi, Diwali, any festival which you like. Draw the picture of that festival. You may take the help of your parents also. And I hope you must have understood the topic. Okay, thank you children.